Hello guys, welcome to my course. In this course, we will do an app that you can ask questions to ChatGPT, and we will use KivyMD. First, let me show you the app. Later, I will talk about the details. We have two screens. In the first screen, we will enter the parameters like temperature, API, and max tokens. Later in the course, I will explain each of them in detail. And when we click start, here we have the second screen, and here we can enter our question. For example, like how to learn English. When we press ask, at the background, the ChatGPT answering our questions. And here we are seeing the answer. And we bind to scroll this text field. So if we have a long text, we can see all of them. And here, okay, we got this answer. But if we change the question like Chinese, how to learn Chinese, ask again, the text here will change. Here we have new answer. After complete doing this Python project, the most important part of the course is that I will teach you how to convert this Python file into APK file. In this way, you will be able to open this app in your phone. After that, I will teach you how to convert this file to AAB file if you want to publish your app on Google Play Store. This part is really annoying. It looks so simple, but you will face many crashes. Even if you achieve to convert your file to APK file, you will see that when you try to open that that app, it will open and suddenly close. So I will teach you how to solve this kind of problems. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.